Good morning, it's Sunday, and we're making vanilla ice cream. Not just any vanilla. This is rich, creamy, real deal vanilla, flecked with beans, full of flavors, and completely egg-free. It's silky, scoopable, and here to redeem vanilla's entire reputation. Because plain? Absolutely not. Let's go. You know who gets a bad rap? Vanilla. Everyone treats it like the plain Jane of the ice cream world. But let me tell you, when it's done right, it's anything but boring. We're talking silky, creamy, flecked with the real vanilla bean, melt in your mouth magic. Not a backup flavor, not a supporting role, just pure golden, understated perfection. Let's dive right in. Slice that vanilla bean open and scrape out every last seed. We're extracting maximum flavor. Add your heavy cream, your milk, and your sugar to your pot. Throw in that vanilla bean and all those vanilla bean seeds. Place that pot on the stove and give her a nice mix. Make sure everything is incorporated. Heat that baby up to 160 degrees and move from the heat. Cover her up and don't touch her for a minimum of 1 hour. While she steeps, mix up your cornstarch slurry, a little hot water to a little cornstarch, and mix that very well. Once fully mixed, set the slurry aside and uncover your ice cream base. Don't lift your lid like I did and let the water slide in. Find your vanilla bean and squeeze out all the mixture. Remember, maximum vanilla flavor. Add in your slurry and heat it gently on the stove until it thickens. Think of it as loose curd, not like pudding. Grab your heat-proof bowl and strain your mixture, because texture matters here, people. Once it's fully strained, go ahead and add in your salt and your vanilla bean paste. Did I mention we want maximum vanilla flavor here? Let this base chill for a minimum of 6 hours, overnight if you can. Now that our base is chilled, give it a quick stir and add it to your ice cream maker. Time to assemble my most loyal kitchen sidekick. She occasionally talks back, but she spins cold magic. Feed her a cocktail of ice and salt, very refined palate. Lock her in, plug her in, and hope she doesn't launch a meltdown, literally. Ah yes, the churn, where science, patience, and sheer willpower collide. She's thickening up like your ex's excuses. Look at her go, smooth, cold, and living her best life. Honestly, I'd marry this texture if I could. Nothing fancy here, just tuck her in, seal the lid, and let her freeze for at least an hour. It's the final stretch, and trust me, the wait is worth it. Because when she's ready, oh, she's ready. Creamy, scoopable perfection. Like a velvet cloud of vanilla just descended from heaven and politely asked to wreck you. Here she is. She's ready to ruin every other vanilla you've ever loved. So yeah, vanilla ice cream. Egg-free, flavor-packed, and officially no longer the backup dancer of the dessert world. This one's rich, velvety, and honestly, kind of a show-off. Make it, share it, eat it straight out of the container. I won't judge. See you next Sunday.